Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called MRB, Material Review Board. A Material Review Board or MRB team may be made up of several people from different functions within an organization. The Material Review Board collectively makes a decision to disposition non-conforming material that has been referred to this particular board. The MRP is typically composed of subject matter experts from quality function, engineering representative, purchasing representative, as well as production people. Typically, the MRPs will be scheduled on a weekly or monthly basis. This schedule can vary depending upon volume of non-conformity item being reviewed. For the MRP to decide the disposition of the item, they must have all the information necessary to make the correct determination. Disposition means the disposition provided by MRP can be one of these four categories, that is scrap, rework, return to the vendor, and accept as it is. Scrap item that do not conform to specification and cannot be corrected can be scrapped. These items are considered unusable and are disposed of accordingly. Rework, these items that do not meet the specification but can be corrected or repaired to meet the specification. The MRP needs to review if the effort required to the repair is worth doing it. Return to the vendor, items that do not conform to specification and do not affect the work schedule can be sent back to the supplier as the rejection. Accept as is or accept under concession if the non-conformity is minor in nature and does not affect the functioning of a finished product, then the MRP can decide to accept the item as it is. In addition, MRP also suggests changing the specification. For example, MRP might suggest a slight modification to design so that it would meet the requirement better. Thanks for watching. Bye.